This video/stream is sponsored by TradersCentral.com. Traders Central provide funding for traders, spot cryptocurrency exchange services, and access to trading tools like copy trade software, portfolio tracking, and a social platform exclusively for communicating with your traders friends. Sign up using the link in the descriptions and get up to 30% off on your first plan. Hello traders, welcome back to Pips Traders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continuous support to my channel. And thank you for your supporting comments also. So today in this video, we are going to be doing daily technical analysis in gold, US dollar, currency pairs. Let us do the price action analysis for coming Monday. When we look at the economic event calendar for Monday, June 6th, we have lots of bank holiday planned on Monday and there are no high impacting news planned for Monday. So we can expect low volatility on Monday. Let us begin our analysis. I'm in 4 hours time frame now. When we look at the trend of the price action from the 4 hours time frame, from here it started falling on a bearish trend and the price action has not broken this resistance line. So as long as the price action is trading below this resistance line, it will be a bearish trend. Within this bearish trend, we have noticed a bullish trend. Again, we have noticed a bearish trend continuation. Presently, we are noticing a bullish trend. And if the price action breaches this resistance line, it will be the start of the bullish trend. And when we look at the retracement levels from the past price action, from here it started falling on a bearish trend. And around this level, it took support. Then we had noticed a bullish trend reversal from here. And it retraced up to this resistance line. Then we have noticed a bearish trend reversal. So the bearish trend reversal took place around the level of 61.80% in the Fibonacci's retracement tool. When we analyze the same price action in the current price action also, from here the second level of bearish trend started and it has taken support around the level of 1787 and currently it is in a bullish trend. And here around the level of 1915, we have the 61.80% in the Fibonacci's retracement tool. So looking at the past price action, if the price action is going to repeat the same price action, we can expect it to retrace up to this resistance level of 61.80%, which is around 1915 level. And when we mark the major resistance levels, around this level, the price action fell on a bearish trend reversal. This will be the support level if the price action comes on a bearish trend reversal. If it breaks this support level of 1827, we can expect it to take support around the support level of 1899. And when we look at the resistance level, 1914 is going to be the next resistance level because it is also the 61.80 level in the Fibonacci's retracement tool. And looking at the current price action more closely, I am drawing a support line from this point where it started its bullish trend. So I have drawn several resistance and support lines. Previously we have noticed the price action to take support on this trend line and to trade on a bullish side. Again it broke this support line and fell further and took support on the support level of 1828. And from this level, it started trading on a bullish side. Currently, when we notice the price action, it is trading between the resistance level of 1872 and the support level of 1828. But we have noticed the price action to stop in the middle of this trend line. This is because this level is acting as a very strong support level. Let me draw a support line over here. So when we analyze the price action around this support or resistance line, we have noticed a consolidation or price to bounce back on the bullish side and bearish side after crossing this support line. This is a very strong resistance and support level. So currently when we notice the price action, I am dividing the price action into different zones over here by drawing a rectangle pattern. So currently when we notice the price action, it is trading on a sideways between this support level of 1828 and the resistance level of 1872. In between we have a very strong support level of 1847. So when we analyze the price action, from here it started its bullish trend and it went into the blue color zone, found resistance around the resistance level of 1872. Then it trended back and took support around the support level of 1828, which is the bottom level of the yellow color zone, and then went on a bullish trend, again took resistance at the same resistance level of 1872, and currently we are noticing the price action to take support around the support level of 1847. So overall, when we look at the price action, it is only trading between the support and resistance level of 1872 to 1828. It is on a sideways price action for now. So if the price action breaks this resistance level of 1872, we can expect it to trend on the bullish side and to test the next level of resistance, which is going to be around 1914. And if the price action breaks this support level of 1847, we can expect it to trend down and take support around the first level of support, which is going to be around 1828. And if it breaks this 1828 level, we can expect it to take support at the next level of support, which is going to be around 1798. So the current price action in 4 hours time frame is only in a range bound market. Previously it went on a bullish trend, then retraced, again it went on a bullish trend, and currently we are noticing it to trend on the bearish side. Only when it breaks this support level or the resistance level, we can expect it to trend on the bullish side or on the bearish side based on the breakout. And when we look at this zone on the left hand side, this whole area had been a very strong resistance level and the support level. That is the reason why the current price action is finding difficulty in breaking this zone. Let us do the analysis in hourly time frame. I am in hourly time frame now. When we analyze the price action in hourly time frame, I am drawing a trend line or a resistance line. When we look at the current price action, it has taken support around the higher time frame support level of 1847, and it is actually consolidating. But it has already broken the resistance line from the hourly time frame. So if the price action wants to bounce back from this support line, it has to break the resistance line from the hourly time frame. And if the price action breaks this resistance line, it is the confirmation on the bullish trend reversal, upon which you can go on a bullish side trades. And if the price action breaks this support line, it is the confirmation on the bearish trend reversal, upon which you can go on a bearish side trades. So if the bearish trend continues, next level of support is going to be the 4 hours time frame support line or the trend line. And if it breaks this support line, next level of support is going to be the higher time frame support level of 1828. And if the price action breaks this support level of 1828, next level of support is going to be around 1799. Let us mark the support and resistance level for hourly time frame. The values within this red color boxes are the resistance and support levels. Let us do the analysis in 30 minutes time frame. I am in 30 minutes time frame. When we draw a support line in 30 minutes time frame, previously the price action was taking support on this trend line or the support line, and currently it has broken this trend line. I am drawing one more resistance line over here. So currently the price action is trading below this resistance line. So as long as the price action is trading below this resistance line, we can expect the bearish trend to continue in 30 minutes time frame. Currently we have noticed the price action to take support at the higher time frame support level of 1847. Wait for the price action to break this resistance line from the hourly time frame, based on which you can go on a bullish side trade. But only when it breaks the resistance line from the 30 minutes time frame, it will be a continuation on the bullish side. And if the price action breaks this support level of 1847, we can expect the bearish trend to continue in 30 minutes time frame also. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values within this yellow color boxes are the resistance and support levels for 30 minutes time frame. Let us do the analysis in 5 minutes time frame. I'm in 5 minutes time frame. When we analyze the price action in 5 minutes time frame, the price action bounced back from the resistance line from the 30 minutes time frame on a bearish trend reversal, and it has taken support on the higher time frame support level of 1847, and currently the price is trading between the resistance line from the hourly time frame and the support level from the 4 hours time frame. Wait for the price action to give a breakout on the bullish side or on the bearish side to take a directional trade in 5 minutes time frame. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values within this yellow color boxes are the resistance and support levels for 5 minutes time frame. I've marked the support and resistance levels on both the sides. Based on the direction of the breakout, you can use the values given on the downside or on the upper side. That's all the analysis for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video to be useful, press that like button and share this video with your friends.